Hello, hello. Hope you are doing great today. Brit here with a full body workout for you. We are going to get started with our warm up, and it is going to be some side steps. You can keep that side to side, just in a small area, or if you have a little bit larger area to work with, let's go ahead and take it a few steps side to side. Nice. So we are going to warm it up today. Get ready for that full body workout. No equipment necessary for this one. I have one movement that's going to be taking you down on the ground for a little walkout. But other than that, we are going to be standing. Nice. So just moving side to side here, or keeping it right in that side step. I got my arms swinging. You can do that too. All right, got the live crew with me here. Hey guys. And if you're catching us on the replay, remember you can always jump over to exercisetofeelgood.com or BritHallFitness.com and get yourself registered for one of our live classes. Join us here. All right, let's take it to some toe taps to the front. Toe taps. Nice. All right. So it is Friday, and we are getting ready for the weekend. I'm not going to see you for a couple days, but I'll see you on Monday. Hope everyone's got some great plans for the weekend. All right, nice. So let's get the upper body invited into this warm-up party. We're going to do some arm raises with some good mornings. Let's go 3 and 2 and 1. So we're going to push those hips back. Let those arms drop in as we come up. Let those arms raise up as high as they feel like they're going today. All right. Just waking up. Getting that oxygen flowing. All right. So no matter what your body is telling you today, I want you to honor that. Listen to it. All right. It does so much for us. We want to make sure that we are here, giving it everything that it needs. Nice. Pushing those hips back. You're looking for a stretch in those hamstrings, right behind the thighs. And then raising those arms as high as can go, shoulders down and back. Nice. Raise it up. Good. Deep breaths, getting that oxygen flowing through the body. We got one more movement, and then we're going to get started with our strength exercises. I just have 5 for you today. We're going to bust through them 2 times, all the way through. Good. Give me 3. All right, and 2. And 1. So we're going to do a curtsy little lunge here. A little step back. A little step back. Nice. Beautiful. Keeping those hips forward. Right? And just stepping that toe back. And how about some lateral arm raises with that? Beautiful. Looking good. This is our last movement, and then we're going to go ahead and get started with those strength movements. All right. Give me about 20 more seconds here. Nice deep breaths. Chest up nice and tall. Beautiful. We're down to 10 seconds. All right. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and shake it out. Here we go. Our first movement is going to be an overhead reach with a squat. So reaching up high and then squatting down. Now that squat can be at any level that you like. It can just be a little tiny movement here, or it can be really down there. I'm doing a sumo squat here. I am a super advocate of doing whatever squat feels good for you. So if you want to do a kind of a back squat, feet facing forward, take it down, reach up, down to the sides. And awesome. You do what feels good for you. Always the option for a nice sit to stand. We've got just about 10 seconds left here. And we're going to get into that next movement. It's going to be a leg curl, taking that heart rate up for us. In 3, and 2, and 1. All right, so we're going to kick that heel back towards the booty. 45 seconds here. I don't think I told you how long we were going for. Y'all are just great. You just follow me no matter what. I love it. All right. You know I got you. Beautiful. Belly button into spine. Always taking those nice deep breaths. Shoulders rolled back. Beautiful. All right. You feeling a little extra spicy today? You can go ahead and get some arm raises with those leg curls or some pushes. We do that sometimes, right? All right. Now we're going to be taking it to the ground. In our next movement, it's going to be a walkout. So we have the option just to leave that at a deadlift stretch, and we're going to do that in 3, in 2, and 1. So step out to the side of your workout area. Push those hips back. You can leave it in a nice deadlift stretch. Just squeezing that booty to come up. Or if you're feeling it, let's take it out into that walkout. Hands out. Down to the ground, walk it out. Come into a plank. Nice, take it back. Now when we come back second round, I'm going to give you a little option. Squeeze. To kick that up a notch. But let's just go ahead and get that nice walkout. See how we're feeling. Plank. Hold it for just a second. Now remember in that plank, feet wider gives us a little bit more stability. Closer in together gives us that little challenge. Give me about 10 more seconds, and we're going to take it on up to our next movement. I think we got 2 left. Squeeze it up. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Okay, lunge. We're going to go ahead and have our feet right under our hips. Step back. Right, feet are facing the same direction. Bend down, and I want you to squeeze those arms back for a nice back row. Beautiful. Push it out. Other leg back. Feet facing the same direction. Bend it down. Nice. Push it out. Now, if you need a little bit extra assistance on that balance, grab a wall or a chair. You can hold on to that. Take that nice step back lunge. And a little assistance to get back up again. Love it. Yeah. Nice. Squeeze it back. Shoulder blades together. Good. And up. One more. All right, let's do it. Down. Squeeze it back. Give me 3, 2, and 1. Oh my gosh, we are almost done with our first set here. We're going to do some side bend reaches. So a little bend in the knees. To the side. Reach it up. Beautiful. Nice. 45 seconds here. Then we're going to start these 5 exercises one more time. Go back to those overhead squats with the reach. Leg curls. Walk out. Lunge. Roll back squeeze. And then visiting this side bend reach one more time. We'll about 15 seconds here. Nice. Listening to that body. If you're not feeling that reach all the way up, you can give me that little, I'm a little teacup. Tip me over. Pour me out. Nice. Looking good. Belly button to spine. 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. Great job, guys. Okay, let's get started again. In 4, 3, 2, overhead squat reach. In 1, overhead reach and squat. So remember, we're taking those feet out wherever feels good. Shoulders are down, away from the ears. Chest is up. Now, if you opt to do that back squat, you want to work on keeping your shoulders right over those knees and ankles. Nice, looking good. We're going to be done with this in just about 20 seconds. Great job, great job. Yes, looking good. And how about 5, and 4, and 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Love it. Okay, so we're going to do those leg curls, kicking, heels back to the booty. Yeah. Now you can do this a little faster. Really getting that heart rate up. You can add the arms in if you like. Remember, every workout is your own. So you want to just kind of check on where you are every day. It's going to be different. That's totally normal. Nice. So if you're just feeling like, oh, I'm just going to like try to get through today, that's totally cool. All right. We're all there sometimes. Beautiful. But if you're feeling like, oh my God, I got all the energy today, I am going to kick it up and let's do it. Use what you got today. All right. So give me 3 and 2 and 1. It is those walkouts next. So we're going to push the hips back, hands down, walk it out. Heading into that plank. Now, when you're out here, if you're feeling it, you can give a little shoulder tap on each arm. Keep those hips square to the ground. And if that's feeling like something you want to try, but you're not feeling quite ready for it, let's come on out. Take those knees down. All right. Now we're in a plank, knees to shoulders. Tap, tap. Feet back out, up, walk it in. Nice. Beautiful. Should we do one more time? Let's do it. All right. Blame the live crew. Guys, they're the ones that said, we're going to do it again. Nice. Tap and tap. Yeah, I'm throwing it on y'all. Okay, squeeze it to come on up. Great. All right, we're going to do that lunge with a row back squeeze. So remember, we have that wall here if we need, right? One leg back, feet are facing the same direction. Lunge it down, squeeze it back, like we're pulling a resistance band or a cable machine row. All right, beautiful. Come on up again. Other side. Nice wide legs, bend it down, squeeze it back. Nice. Looking good. Beautiful. Option for just a nice straight leg. Squeeze it back. Nice. Yeah, always if we have any issues with those knees, straight leg lunge is going to be better for you. Going to give you all those same benefits and a little less stress on those joints. Nice. Okay. I think I just have one left here for us. It's going to be that side bend reach. And as I told you, we're going to go ahead. We'll slow it down here and ease in to our stretches. But right now I want you to go ahead. Really hold that belly button into spine, activating those obliques. And we're going to take this for just about another, 15 seconds. And then we're going to slow it down into a slow stretch. Nice. Big breath out as you lean each way. Loving it. All right, so give me 3 and 2, and we're going to hold it here. All right, take it down as far as you can and hold. Deep breath in, sink it down. Yes. Stretch time. All right, other side. Oh, stretch it out. We're going to hold here. Now, here's the thing about stretching. Once we hit a nice stretch and an end point, we find it, hold there for just about 5 or 6 seconds, and then we're able to go a little bit deeper into that stretch. Nice. Our body has a little protective mechanism in it, in the tendons, that help us from stretching too far right away. Beautiful. Bring it all the way up. We're going to do some nice circles up and back down, little bend, circles up and back down. Should we take a nice circle around? I think so. So let's take it up in the air. We're going to take that body down, about a flat back over to the side, all the way around. Just find that range of motion. Beautiful. We're going to come back around, see if you can go any lower this time. All right, and then we're going to take it around and we're going to pause. So little bend in those knees. Let's take it out to flat back, to the diagonal. You can go ahead and rest those hands on your thigh or down on the ground. We want to stay away again from that knee. All right, let's take it to the middle, center. Take it down as far as you can. Take a couple deep breaths. And take it over to the other side, flat back. Nice. Hands on those thighs. Nice. And then all the way up and around. How about a nice low lunge? Okay, so we're going to do, it's sometimes called a runner's lunge. We're going to take it nice and low. Hands are inside of our bent knee forward. And if you like, you can take a nice reach up twist. Oh, that feels so good. Nice. And bring it back down again. Feet together. How about that other side? Hands down in front of that knee. Nice. Reach up, little twist if that's what you're feeling. Excellent. All right, crew. It is that time. We are finished. We're going to go ahead and get those hugs. So I want a nice big chest opener. Shoulders back. One arm over the other. Give yourself a nice hug. Deep breath. Open it up again. And close that other arm over the other. Beautiful. You guys give yourselves that pat on the back. Kudos to you. You are finished. It's Friday. I'm going to see you on Monday for another workout. Until then, you feel free to go ahead and grab any of our other workouts that we have on record and enjoy those over the next couple of days. All right, peace. I'll see you on Monday.